So now let's go ahead and jump into your workout program that is going to get you ripped and that you can do entirely from the comfort of your own home, or if you're traveling at a hotel or a friend's house or outdoors or wherever you're comfortable doing it. So why you don't need a gym to get ripped is really important because I get a lot of questions from my clients on whether they need to be using weight and external loading to be able to get into excellent shape. And the reality is that you don't. Working out in a gym can be an awesome way to get you into great shape. Weights and machines give you a ton of variety and can help you get more specific training results, but they aren't necessary for losing body fat, building lean muscle tissue, and getting into the best shape of your life. So your body weight routine that we're going to be having in this course, and I made a little note of that we're going to link to videos of how to do the exercises in these exact workouts within these lectures actually. So it's only going to be a 4-day per week program. Each workout will last approximately 20 minutes. Some you're going to get down to about 15. Includes all body weight exercises that you can do from the comfort of your own home or while you're traveling. We recommend working out every other day just to get in a good habit of working out pretty often. And if you can work out more consistently, if you decide that you want to do something every day, that's fantastic. That would be awesome for you, as long as you make sure that you give yourself at least a day of rest and that you're not overdoing it. So for this program, you can simply alternate between workouts 1 and 2 while resting 1 day in between each workout. It's not going to get any simpler or more effective than this. So here are the 2 workouts that you are going to be using for the bulk of this course. And we are going to add more workouts later that you can start to integrate in. But like I said, we want to keep it as simple as possible, because one of the biggest things that I've seen with my clients when they drop off their programs is that they're too complex. There's so much going on and there's so many different moving parts that they really get lost in the program and they decide to give it up altogether. So we're trying to keep it as simple as possible here so that you can be successful in achieving your goals. So here's a little breakdown of the muscle groups that you'll be using and how each exercise emphasizes those muscle groups. So you can take a quick look over that. And those are also discussed in each one of the videos and tutorials that are included in this course. You can just go straight to that section and take a look at the tutorials on each of these exercises when you're ready to start working out. So progressing and taking your workouts to the next level is something really important, because you are going to keep getting in better shape as you go through this program. So once you have mastered doing the exercises in these workouts and they become easier for you, it's time to challenge yourself. There are harder variations of these exercises that you can perform to get even better results. And you can see advanced workout variations and exercise variations on my YouTube channel, which I will link to in this video or in the notes of this video, so that you can check those out for yourself. And here is your sample 4-week workout schedule and what it would look like if you're alternating workouts 1 and 2, resting a day in between. And this will be made downloadable for you so that you can print it out and hang it on your refrigerator or put it in your kitchen or your living room or wherever you're going to see it, and have it as a reference for yourself. And you can just check off those workouts as you go through the month. So the purpose behind your workout program is super important. You're going to be toning, sculpting, and defining the muscle groups that you want to show off, lowering your body fat percentage and giving you a lean, athletic look that you want, shrinking your waistline. And these bodyweight workouts will help you build lean muscle that will melt fat tissue. The thing is, muscle builds calories while at rest, and fat doesn't, and it burns more calories while at rest. So you still be able to eat a ton of great healthy food for you and lose weight and lose body fat at the same time. Building muscle by using this bodyweight program will increase your resting metabolism so that you can burn more calories for hours. And studies say that 24 to 30 hours after you get done exercising, which is really awesome. And that's something that pure cardio won't do for you, which is why we incorporate a circuit resistance training program into this course. And that, like I said, will combine your cardiovascular training and strength training. So you'll still be getting your heart rate variation and your heart rate up while you're working on your muscle groups.